This is Homegrown in the Kitchen, and I'm Sharonda Brown. Today we're going to be making a toddler-friendly honey bread. We have mixed nuts and raisins, along with using honey, which is a natural sweetener, and we're also going to use whole wheat bread. We're going to take this bread, and you're going to use 3 slices for this recipe, and we're just going to put it on our cutting board and cut it into cubes. So next we're going to take our butter, which is 1 tablespoon, and we're going to put it into a pot and start to melt it. And we're going to add our raisins and mixed nuts. And what we will do is take this mixture and just lightly just keep stirring it around, and then once we're done with that, we're going to add the bread, and we're just going to stir it around lightly and then pop it on back out onto a plate. Now it's time to add our sweetener with our honey, and this is something children would love to do. They can just come on over and they can just drizzle it like that to make it even more sweet. That's pretty good.